In this video, I'll show you how to watch Disney Plus Hotstar in Canada, so you can enjoy Indian movies, shows, and sports from anywhere. If you try to open Disney Plus Hotstar in Canada, you'll notice that most content is blocked or unavailable. Disney Plus Hotstar is officially restricted to India, and it detects your location using your IP address. Even with a valid account, you won't be able to access the full library outside India. Disclaimer: using a VPN to access Disney Plus Hotstar is legal, but you must have a valid Disney Plus Hotstar subscription. This method does not involve piracy or illegally accessing content. The easiest and completely legal way to watch Disney Plus Hotstar from Canada is by using a VPN. A VPN lets you appear as if you're browsing from India, unlocking all region-restricted content. The VPN I recommend for this is NordVPN, because it's fast, reliable, and works on Windows, Mac, Android, iPhone, and smart TVs. You can find the NordVPN link in the description. Now let me walk you through the process on a PC. First, open your browser and go to the official NordVPN website using the link in the description. Download the NordVPN app for your computer, install it, and then open the app. Log in to your NordVPN account. Once you're logged in, you'll see a map and a list of countries. Scroll and select India, then click to connect. Wait until NordVPN shows that you're fully connected to an Indian server. After connecting, open a new browser tab and go to hotstar.com or the Disney Plus Hotstar website. If the site was already open before connecting to the VPN, refresh the page or close and reopen your browser so the new location applies. Now log into your Disney Plus Hotstar account. You should have full access to all movies, TV shows, web series, and live sports that were previously unavailable in Canada. Click on any title to start streaming. If a video doesn't load or you see an error, go back to NordVPN, disconnect, and reconnect to a different server in India. Then refresh the page and try again. This usually fixes the issue instantly. Keep NordVPN connected while watching for the best experience. NordVPN offers high-speed servers optimized for streaming, so you can watch Disney Plus Hotstar in HD without buffering. NordVPN also keeps your connection private and secure. It hides your real IP address, encrypts your data, and includes features like threat protection and a kill switch to block trackers, ads, and unsafe websites while streaming. So that's exactly how you can watch Disney Plus Hotstar in Canada. Connect to India using NordVPN, open the platform, and enjoy unlimited Indian content from anywhere. Use the link in the description to try NordVPN and start streaming Disney Plus Hotstar in Canada today.